deep and hurt and defeated. Thought I could through this, laugh through the sadness.
Hello my beautiful people, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. In case you are new, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. Today I'll show you 4 easy low buns that you can recreate in minutes. In case you didn't watch my other 4 low messy buns, make sure to check out the I button and also the info bar as well, so you can watch them and learn a lot of low messy buns. I know you love them. So let's get started.
We'll begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then grabbing an elastic. We want to make a very low ponytail first. Now you want to make an opening, a horizontal opening, and bring your ponytail through it like I'm showing. You want to loosen a bit your top and make it effortless looking. If you have medium length, make sure to tie half of your ponytail like I'm showing, loosen it a bit to create this voluminized effect. But if your hair is shorter, tie the ends, bring the ponytail through the topsy tail loop and pin it at the base of the elastic. If it's longer, of course, you want to wrap the ends like I'm showing, but you'll definitely wrap it several times before pinning it in place and hiding into the topsy tail, pinning it in place with how many bobby pins you need. For the second one, we'll select our heavy side from our side parting and we'll leave it for later. Grabbing the rest, we want to make again a very low ponytail. Now again we want to tie our ponytail like I'm showing, half of it if you have medium hair, the ends if it's shorter, and if it's longer you will wrap just your hairs more times than I did around your fingers, wrap it up and pin it at the base of the elastic. The elastics are just our base of pinning. Just remember that this will help you to pin in place your bun and it will not unravel. So use 2 or 3 bobby pins to fix it, then grabbing your heavy side, make sure to smooth it out using a comb and tie again the ends and bring them into our bun inside like I'm showing, hiding the ends of course too into the bun. Pin it at the base of the elastic of this section. Then if you have hair sticking out, you can use some hairspray, hide it into the bun, fan it out your bun and pin it from the sides using grips or bobby pins depending how heavy your hair is. And you're done! For the third one, this is the easiest. Make sure to tie a very low ponytail. Loosen a bit your top of course and divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections. Now you want to twist each strand one way and then twist them around each other several times until reaching kind of the middle of again depending on how long your hair is. Now you want to simply fold your created braid and use another elastic and tie it. Now you want to grab your 2 sections from your raw braid and wrap them around the elastic to hide your elastic. Of course you want to tuck it into the elastic underneath the ends and you're done. For the fourth hairstyle, we want to select 2 sections from both sides, tie them, like I'm showing, creating a half up, half down, and twist it, creating a topsy tail. Now dividing your hair into two sections, grab one of these sections and bring it through your topsy tail, making sure you are hiding the elastic from the topsy tail. You want to divide into two all remaining hair and again make a row braid. You can here make any type of braid that you like, okay? You want to secure the ends of the braid with a clear elastic, and if you want you can pull a little bit your braid and then wrap this braid around the base and pin it in place using several bobby pins. Hide the ends inside like I'm showing. Pin it well in place, use hairspray if needed, and you're done.
I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe, of course, so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial here on Awesome Hairstyles channel. Don't forget to check out the info bar and also check out my other hair tutorials like right here. Subscribe here. And you know, I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Bye!